War Eagle. My name is Emma Dagerpont, president of the University Program Council. The University Program Council, better known as UPC, is Auburn's student-led programming board. Our mission is to enrich each Auburn student's experience by providing inclusive and engaging programs that foster community and a positive campus culture. UPC offers a variety of events through 6 committees dedicated to providing students with a unique way to connect with peers and experience life at Auburn. From special events, films, and video games, to campus traditions, Tiger Nights, and the First 56, the students of UPC pride themselves on being for students, by students. UPC is also the home to First 56, a great opportunity to start your fall semester on the Plains by attending campus-wide programs and events that help students meet new people, develop healthy habits, and excel in the classroom. This initiative takes place during the first 8 weeks because Welcome to Campus should last more than a week. This year, over 5,000 students participated in a total of 274 events hosted by 90 campus partners throughout the First 56. Tiger Nights is another way UPC works to connect students through fun and unique late-night events designed for students to have an alcohol alternative way to enjoy their evening while making memories and friends along the way. This fall, 3,083 students participated in Tiger Nights events, with over 1/3 attending more than one event. Haunting on the Plains, Spring Fair, and Night at the Museum, which hosted over 350 Auburn students for an after-hours exclusive experience at the Jewel Collins Smith Museum of Fine Art, are just a few examples. Additionally, Tiger Nights started hosting creative pop-up events, giving students a more regular opportunity to participate in fun late-night activities. In total, UPC held over 80 events on campus during the 2022-2023 academic year, beginning with the First 56 Fall Concert at the Googe Performing Arts Center that featured musical artists Dayglow and The Brook and the Bluff, to closing out the year with the movie night in Jordan-Hare Stadium.